How to change language in Webtoon app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Webtoon. Click on My at the bottom right corner of your screen. It will lead you to this page. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and you'll find Content Language. Click on it. In here, click on Choose your content language and you'll find all these options. Select the one you prefer and you're good to go. This is how to change language in Webtoon app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.